Hey guys, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. Welcome to Explanation Corner. I am back with yet another interesting science quiz for grade 8th. It will really help you a lot to prepare for NSO and TSC and your annual examinations. So please leave a like if you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such educational videos. So let's see if you can pass class 8 science or not. Are you as smart as an 8th grader? So let's discuss the rules. 20 questions, 4 options each question, 15 seconds for one question, one bonus question in the last. Names of the top 5 people who will give the answer of bonus question in the comment section below will be announced in our next video.
So let's get started.
Who is known as the father of Green Revolution in India? Option A, M.S. Swaminathan. Option B, Normani Borlaug. Option C, APJ Abdul Kalam. Or option D, Narendra Modi. Do you know the right answer? And the answer is M.S. Swaminathan. M.S. Swaminathan is known as the father of Green Revolution in India. Now the next question is, what do we call the virus which infect a cyanobacteria? Is it a cyanobacteria virus, a cyanophage, a HIV or adenovirus? So let me tell you the answer, and the answer is a cyanophage. A cyanophage is a virus that infects a cyanobacteria. Now the next question is, Gelidium is an example of which kind of algae? Do you know algae are classified according to their different colors? So Gelidium is an example of which group or which color of algae? So the answer is red algae. Gelidium is an example of red algae. Guys, these all questions are very important for competitive exams. So learn all of them. The next question is, athlete foot is caused by which microorganism? Do you know the answer? I think most of you know that. So the answer is athlete foot disease is caused by a fungus. A fungi is responsible for causing athlete foot disease. So the next question is, which of the following plastic is used in covering of electric wires? Do you know electric wires are covered with insulating plastic? So what kind of plastic is that? So the answer is polyvinyl chloride, or it is also abbreviated as PVC in common language. So the next question is, what is the most abundant metal in the crust of the earth? Do you know the most abundant metal in the earth's crust? This question is asked in Olympiad also. So the answer is aluminium. I think most of you would get confused in iron. Iron is the second most abundant metal in the crust of earth. Now the seventh question is, which is the most reactive metal in the reactivity series? Do you know there is a reactivity series? So which metal is the topper of that? Now the answer is potassium. Potassium is the most reactive metal. Now the next question is, which non-metal is used in the vulcanization of rubber? Do you know a non-metal is mixed with raw rubber to make it stronger? So which is that? The answer is Sulfur. Sulfur is the non-metal which is mixed with rubber to make it vulcanize. The next question is, which is the purest form of amorphous carbon? Purest form of amorphous carbon. Nice question. Do you know the answer? Let me know in the comment section. Now the answer is sugar charcoal. Guys, if you have any query or you want to give any suggestion, you can give in the comment section. What is the name of the yellow part of the flame? Luminous zone, non-luminous zone, middle zone. Here is a hint for you. It is also called the middle zone or the middle part of flame. So the answer is luminous zone. Luminous zone is known as the yellow part of the flame. The next question is, what is the composition of water gas? Do you know there is also a gas known as water gas? So what is it composed of? And the answer is hydrogen and carbon monoxide. It is composed of hydrogen and carbon monoxide. The next question is, which type of bird is passenger pigeon? Means passenger pigeon fall in which category? Endemic, extinct, endangered or vulnerable? If you want me to increase the time, you can suggest what time you need in the comment section also. So the answer is extinct. Passenger pigeon is an extinct bird. Now the next question is, where is Madhumalai Wildlife Sanctuary located? Do you know in which state it is located? Is someone here from Tamil Nadu? Because Madhumalai Sanctuary is located in Tamil Nadu. Let me know in the comment section is someone from Tamil Nadu. So the next question is, who discovered nucleus? I am asking who discovered nucleus, not the cell. I think you would get confused. The names are quite similar. And the answer is Robert Brown. Robert Brown discovered the nucleus of the cell. Now the next question is question number 14. How many pairs of chromosomes are present in human cell? It is asking the pair, not single. How many pairs? Guys, if you like this type of quiz, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So the answer is 23 pairs. There are 23 pairs of chromosomes present in each and every cell of our body. Now the next question is, which gland is known as the master gland? It is present in our body below the hypothalamus. Do you know? And the answer is the master gland is pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is known as the master gland of our body because it controls the hormones. The next question is, what is the atmospheric pressure at sea level? Do you know the atmospheric pressure is the highest at sea level? So what is the value of that? And it is measured using a barometer. So the answer is 760 mm of mercury. So the next question is, what is the maximum value of static friction called? Means when we are converting static friction to sliding friction, the last stage of static friction is its maximum value. So what does we call it? So the answer is limiting friction. The maximum value of static friction is known as limiting friction. Now, question number 18th. Which type of lens is present in human eye? Which type of lens is present in human eye? Do you know? And the answer is convex lens. Convex lens is present in human eye. So here is the second last question for you. Which of the following gases reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of blood? Do you know this is a very toxic gas causing air pollution also? So the answer is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is responsible for reducing the oxygen carrying capacity of blood. So here is the last question for you. What is the other name for the constellation Orion? Do you know other name of Orion constellation? The answer of the last question is Hunter. Please let me know your scores in the comment section.
Now pull up your socks and hold your breath to know who answered the last bonus question. So here's the list. You can find your name in the list if you were one of the winners and answer this question, which was which lens is used to correct myopia, to get a shout out in the next video. So please hit the like button and subscribe. Today's day for you guys individually is just to like, subscribe and share this video. So let's see how many of you complete the dare.
Thank you and have a nice day.